Welcome. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive step-by-step checklist for IT teams tasked with choosing the right e-commerce platform. With so many options available, making the right decision can feel overwhelming. This video will break down the process into manageable steps, ensuring your team covers all critical aspects. Whether you're launching a new online store or migrating from an existing system, following this checklist will help you make a confident, informed choice. Let's get started by understanding why a structured approach is essential for IT teams in the e-commerce landscape. The first step is to clearly define your business goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your e-commerce platform? Are you aiming for rapid growth, international expansion, or perhaps seamless integration with existing systems? IT teams should collaborate with business stakeholders to outline these objectives. This clarity will guide every subsequent decision, ensuring the platform you choose aligns with your company's vision and future plans. Remember, a platform that works for one business may not suit another, so tailor your checklist to your unique goals. Next, assess your technical requirements. This involves listing out the must-have features and functionalities your e-commerce platform should support. Consider aspects like scalability, security, API integrations, and support for multiple payment gateways. IT teams should also evaluate the need for mobile responsiveness, customizability, and compatibility with existing infrastructure. By documenting these requirements early, you'll be able to quickly filter out platforms that don't meet your needs, saving time and resources. Budget is a critical factor in platform selection. IT teams should work with finance to determine the total cost of ownership, including licensing fees, transaction costs, customization, and ongoing maintenance. Don't forget to account for hidden expenses like third-party plugins or support services. By establishing a clear budget upfront, you can focus your search on platforms that fit within your financial constraints, avoiding costly surprises down the road. Security is paramount in e-commerce. IT teams must ensure that any platform under consideration complies with industry standards, such as PCI DSS for payment processing. Evaluate the platform's security features, including SSL support, data encryption, and user access controls. It's also wise to review the vendor's track record for handling vulnerabilities and their policies for regular security updates. Prioritizing security at this stage protects your business and customers from potential threats. As your business grows, your e-commerce platform must scale accordingly. Evaluate each platform's ability to handle increased traffic, larger product catalogs, and higher transaction volumes. Look for features like load balancing, cloud hosting, and performance monitoring tools. IT teams should also consider the platform's uptime guarantees and support for content delivery networks, CDNs, to ensure fast, reliable service for customers worldwide. Modern e-commerce platforms must integrate seamlessly with other business systems such as ERP, CRM, and marketing tools. IT teams should create a list of required integrations and evaluate each platform's API capabilities, middleware support, and available connectors. Strong integration capabilities streamline operations, reduce manual work, and enable better data flow across your organization. Every business has unique needs, so customization is often a key consideration. Assess how easily each platform can be tailored to your specific workflows, branding, and user experience requirements. IT teams should look for platforms that offer flexible templates, robust developer tools, and support for custom plugins or modules. The more adaptable the platform, the better it can support your evolving business processes. A seamless user experience is crucial for both customers and administrators. IT teams should evaluate the platform's front-end design options, navigation structure, and mobile responsiveness. Additionally, consider the back-end usability for your staff, including order management, inventory tracking, and reporting tools. A platform that's easy to use will boost productivity and customer satisfaction. Choosing a reputable vendor is just as important as the platform's features. Research each vendor's history, customer reviews, and industry reputation. IT teams should look for vendors with a proven track record of reliability, innovation, and responsive customer support. This due diligence helps ensure you're partnering with a company that will support your business for the long haul. Ongoing support and maintenance are vital for smooth operations. IT teams should evaluate the vendor's support channels, response times, and availability of technical resources. Consider whether the platform offers regular updates, bug fixes, and a clear roadmap for future enhancements. Reliable support minimizes downtime and ensures your platform stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. Compliance with legal and industry standards is non-negotiable. IT teams must ensure the platform supports GDPR, CCPA, and other relevant regulations. Review the platform's data handling policies, privacy features, and audit trails. This step is crucial for protecting your business from legal risks and maintaining customer trust. With mobile shopping on the rise, your e-commerce platform must be mobile-ready. IT teams should test the platform's mobile responsiveness, app support, and mobile payment options. A mobile-optimized experience ensures you capture sales from customers on any device, enhancing your reach and competitiveness. Effective marketing is essential for online success. IT teams should evaluate each platform's SEO capabilities, built-in marketing tools, and support for third-party integrations. Features like customizable URLs, meta tags, and analytics integration can boost your store's visibility and help drive traffic. The right tools empower your marketing team to execute campaigns efficiently. If your business plans to expand globally, internationalization features are a must. IT teams should check for multi-language support, currency conversion, and compliance with international tax laws. These features make it easier to serve customers in different regions and adapt to local market needs. A variety of payment gateway options is essential for customer convenience. IT teams should review which payment methods each platform supports, including credit cards, digital wallets, and alternative payment solutions. Consider transaction fees, settlement times, and ease of integration. The right payment options can improve conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Efficient shipping and logistics are vital for customer satisfaction. IT teams should assess the platform support for shipping carriers, real-time tracking, and integration with logistics partners. Features like automated shipping calculations and order fulfillment tools can streamline operations and reduce errors. Data-driven decisions are key to e-commerce success. IT teams should evaluate the platform's analytics and reporting capabilities, including sales tracking, customer insights, and inventory management. Look for customizable dashboards and export options to facilitate deeper analysis and informed strategy development. If you're moving from an existing platform, migration support is crucial. IT teams should check for migration tools, data import, export features, and vendor assistance. A smooth migration minimizes downtime and data loss, ensuring a seamless transition for both your team and your customers. Testing is a vital part of platform selection. IT teams should look for platforms that offer sandbox environments for testing, integrations, customizations, and new features. This allows you to identify issues before going live, reducing risk, and ensuring a stable launch. Disaster recovery planning is essential for business continuity. IT teams should evaluate each platform's backup and restore capabilities, disaster recovery plans, and uptime guarantees. Knowing how quickly you can recover from an outage or data loss event is critical for minimizing disruption. A strong community and ecosystem can be a valuable resource. IT teams should consider platforms with active user communities, developer forums, and a wide range of third-party plugins or extensions. This support network can help solve problems faster and extend your platform's capabilities. Vendor lock-in can limit your flexibility in the future. IT teams should assess how easily you can migrate away from the platform if needed, including data export options and proprietary technology concerns. Choosing a platform with open standards and clear exit strategies protects your business's long-term interests. Performance benchmarks provide objective data for comparison. IT teams should request or conduct performance tests, such as page load times, transaction processing speeds, and stress tests under peak loads. This information helps you select a platform that meets your performance expectations. Accessibility ensures your store is usable by everyone, including people with disabilities. IT teams should evaluate each platform's support for accessibility standards, such as WCAG. Features like keyboard navigation, screen reader compatibility, and adjustable text sizes are important for inclusivity and compliance. Automation can save time and reduce errors. IT teams should look for platforms that support workflow automation, such as order processing, inventory updates, and customer notifications. Integration with automation tools or built-in automation features can streamline operations and boost efficiency. Effective inventory management is crucial for e-commerce success. IT teams should evaluate the platform's inventory tracking, stock alerts, and integration with supply chain systems. Real-time inventory updates help prevent overselling and ensure accurate product availability for customers. Managing a large product catalog requires robust tools. IT teams should assess the platform's support for bulk uploads, product variants, and advanced search or filtering options. Easy catalog management saves time and improves the shopping experience for your customers. Customer support can make or break your business. IT teams should evaluate the platform's support for live chat, ticketing systems, and knowledge bases. Integration with CRM tools and automated responses can further enhance customer service and satisfaction. Efficient order management is essential for smooth operations. IT teams should review the platform's order processing workflows, status tracking, and integration with shipping providers. Automation and clear reporting tools can help manage high order volumes with ease. Handling returns and refunds efficiently is important for customer trust. IT teams should assess the platform's support for return workflows, refund processing, and integration with payment gateways. Clear policies and automation can reduce manual work and improve the customer experience. Promotions and discounts drive sales and customer engagement. IT teams should evaluate the platform's support for coupon codes, flash sales, and loyalty programs. Flexible promotion tools allow your marketing team to run creative campaigns and respond quickly to market trends. A robust app marketplace extends your platform's functionality. IT teams should review the availability of third-party apps for accounting, marketing, shipping, and more. Easy integration with trusted apps can save development time and add valuable features to your store. Hosting affects performance, security, and scalability. IT teams should evaluate whether the platform offers cloud, on-premises, or hybrid hosting options. Consider factors like server locations, redundancy, and managed services to ensure your platform meets your technical and business needs. Staying current with technology is vital. IT teams should review the platform's update frequency, release notes, and future roadmap. Regular updates ensure security, compatibility, and access to new features, while a clear roadmap demonstrates the vendor's commitment to ongoing improvement. Comprehensive documentation is essential for IT teams. Evaluate the quality, depth, and accessibility of the platform's technical documentation, user guides, and API references. Good documentation speeds up onboarding, troubleshooting, and development. Before making a final decision, IT teams should take advantage of free trials or demo environments. Hands-on testing allows you to evaluate usability, performance, and feature sets in real-world scenarios. Involve key stakeholders to gather feedback and ensure the platform meets everyone's needs. Service level agreements, SLAs, define the vendor's commitments. IT teams should review SLAs for uptime, support response times, and issue resolution. Clear SLAs provide accountability and set expectations for service quality. A thorough cost-benefit analysis helps justify your decision. IT teams should compare the total cost of ownership with the expected benefits, such as increased sales, improved efficiency, or reduced manual work. This analysis supports a data-driven, transparent selection process. Securing buy-in from all stakeholders is crucial for a successful implementation. IT teams should present findings, demonstrate platform capabilities, and address concerns from business, marketing, and operations teams. Collaborative decision-making ensures everyone is aligned and invested in the platform's success. After thorough evaluation, it's time to make your final selection. IT teams should document the decision-making process, summarize key findings, and ensure all requirements are met. This transparency helps with future audits and provides a clear rationale for your choice. With the platform chosen, planning the implementation is the next step. IT teams should develop a detailed project plan, set milestones, and allocate resources. Clear timelines and responsibilities help ensure a smooth rollout and minimize disruptions to business operations. Training is essential for a successful launch. IT teams should organize training sessions for staff, create user guides, and provide ongoing support. Well-trained users are more productive and can make the most of the platform's features from day one. The go-live phase is exciting but requires careful monitoring. IT teams should track key performance indicators, monitor for issues, and be ready to respond quickly. Early detection and resolution of problems ensure a smooth customer experience and protect your brand reputation. Choosing an e-commerce platform is just the beginning. IT teams should establish processes for ongoing evaluation, gather feedback from users, and implement improvements as needed. Continuous improvement ensures your platform evolves with your business and remains competitive in a dynamic market.